Hey there guys, this is Jake Fleming here at Team Toyota in Schererville, Indiana, where I went ahead and picked out 3 beautiful cars for you guys today. I have this beautiful 2004 Dodge Intrepid with only 56,000 miles on it. Yes, you guys heard me correct. It only has 56,000 miles on it. Someone needs to come and get it before I buy it. I also have a 2014 Toyota RAV4. It only has 25,000 miles on it, and I went ahead and picked out this one just because it has a certification on it, so you do get a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty on it from the original factory date. And also I went ahead and picked out this bad boy, 2014 Toyota Tundra in the Platinum Edition. You have all the gadgets on it, all the bells and whistles from sunroof, heated and cooled seats. Someone needs to come get this truck before I trade mine in to get this one too as well. Guys, come in, ask for me, ask for anybody to go ahead and take care of you guys. Our address is 400 South Indianapolis Boulevard, or you can reach us at 219-924-8100. And I'll see you guys soon to take home one of these beautiful cars.